Why you should consider making money online. There are a lot of different ways to make money online. You can take surveys, do data entry, write articles, or even start your own business. But why should you consider making money online? Here are a few reasons. 1. You can make a lot of money. If you find the right opportunity, you can make a full-time income from home. There are people who are making 6 figures a year doing things like taking surveys and selling products online. 2. It's flexible. You can work when you want and where you want. As long as you have an internet connection, you can make money. This is perfect for stay-at-home parents or anyone who doesn't want to commute to a regular job. 3. You can be your own boss. When you work online, you're in charge of your own destiny. You decide how much money you want to make and when you want to work. This can be liberating for some people who don't like working for someone else. 4. There are endless opportunities. The internet is huge and there are always new opportunities popping up for making money online. Whether you want to take surveys or start your own business, there's an option out there for you. 5. It's fun. Making money online can actually be enjoyable if you find the right opportunity. If you're doing something that you love, it won. What are the best ways to make money online? The internet has opened up a whole new world of ways to make money. Whether you're looking to supplement your income or earn a full-time living, there are many options available. Here are some of the best ways to make money online. 1. Freelance writing. If you have a knack for writing, you can start earning an income by offering your services as a freelance writer. There are many websites and online platforms that offer freelance writing jobs, so you can easily find work that suits your skills and interests. 2. Starting an online business. Have you always dreamed of starting your own business? Now is the perfect time to turn that dream into reality by starting an online business. Thanks to the internet, there are endless possibilities when it comes to running a successful online business. 3. Affiliate marketing. Do you have a blog or website with a large audience? If so, you could start earning money through affiliate marketing. This involves promoting products or services on your site and earning a commission for every sale that you generate. 4. Selling items online. Have some old clothes, furniture, or other items that you no longer need. Why not sell stuff on eBay or other platforms that have sprung up in recent years? What are some things to consider when choosing an online money-making method? When it comes to making money online, there are a few things you should consider before choosing a method. First, what are your interests and passions? There are many ways to make money online, but not all of them will suit your interests. If you enjoy writing, for example, you could start a blog or become a freelance writer. If you're interested in design, you could start a graphic design business or sell your designs on sites like Etsy. Getting started with making money online. Making money online is a great way to earn some extra cash, but it can be tough to know where to start. There are a lot of scams out there, and it can be hard to tell the good opportunities from the bad. That's why it's important to do your research before you get started. There are a lot of ways to make money online, but not all of them are going to be right for you. You need to find the opportunity that best fits your skills and interests. Once you've found a good opportunity, the next step is to get started. This usually involves creating a website or blog, and promoting your site through social media and other channels. If you can drive traffic to your site, you can start earning money from advertising or affiliate marketing. There are many different ways to make money online, so don't be afraid to experiment until you find something that works for you. With a little effort and perseverance, you can start earning some extra cash in no time. Conclusion. Researching ways to make money online can be incredibly rewarding and a lot of fun. With the right research, you can find many legitimate opportunities that will give you more control over your income and help you reach financial freedom. Whether it's through freelancing or developing an online product, there are plenty of options out there for anyone looking to get started with making money online. Just remember to stay focused on your goals and don't let yourself become overwhelmed with all of the different possibilities at your disposal.